so vast, where moonlight spills a silver cast. Stars like whispers softly gleam. A river mirrors this wistful dream. The full moon glows her tender face, a queen adorned in gentle grace. Her light caresses earth below, a lullaby in silver flow. The river sighs, a trembling thread, weaving tales of nights long fled. Its waters cradle moonlit beams, a lake in the hush of midnight dreams. Each ripple holds a fleeting star, distant yet close, no matter how far. The world stands still, time fades away in this embrace of night's